Hop into the 2027 Cadillac Lyriq. This elegant Lyriq offers upscale flair, high-end comfort, and the latest in EV efficiency. You'll love its serenely quiet cabin, fast charging capability, impressive range, dazzling interior tech, standard driver assist features, and solid, stable feel. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: heated steering wheel, wireless Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, front massage seats, intelligent auto on-off high beams, pre-collision system, panoramic roof, lane departure warning, tires all season, all-wheel drive, sun, moonroof. Don't miss the opportunity to experience the luxury and smooth EV power of this striking Lyriq. Our team will give you an outstanding test drive experience. Stop in today.